Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm gonna show how to do filters. So I'm opening, since our theme is landscape, I found this beautiful picture of my country, uh, this beautiful landscape. So I'm gonna show 10 filters that I used. So first I'm just using this rectangular tool to highlight the area that I wanna change using the filter. So this is like perfect size. So next I'm gonna go to filters, and first filter I wanna use is Gaussian blur. So yeah, I just choose it, and next we're gonna get this dialog. So you can basically change the radius of this blur. So if you go ahead and do like 100, it's like you can see basically anything. So I'm like chose 5.01, and yeah, looks good. Next thing, I'm just gonna drag this uh, selection and then drag it down so I can do the next section. So with this I'm gonna use radial blur. When you click it, you're gonna get this window, and you can choose like spin or zoom, and you can change the amount. So I chose spin, and I'm just gonna trying to see what kind of amount I want. So I chose 60. Oh yeah, it's gonna look like this. So next thing I wanna do is yeah, I think it's like too like spinny. So that's why I went ahead and like did like 40. So looks more like I like it better like this way. So next thing I'm gonna do is gonna do the repeat the all steps I did before. It's just moving the selection to different part of the picture. So next thing I'm gonna do is like the same radial blur, but this time I'm gonna use the zoom. So I'm changing the amount and hitting OK. It just gives you the effect of being like being like zoomed. So next filter that I wanted to use, I just went to blur, and then I chose motion blur, and it's just gonna give you like effect of something is kind of moving. That's why I think it's called blur, like motion blur. So I am just adjusting the distance. You can do like whatever distance you feel is good. So I did like 22, and I hit OK. Yeah, as you can see, it's like it looks like it's like moving. Yeah, I'm just changing the selection, position. So next filter I wanted to use is ripple. It's really interesting one. You can here you can adjust actually amount, and you can, yeah, looks like this, and then you can choose like medium, or you can choose large. So I decided to just use the large. It's like I think it's more beautiful. So it's gonna be my sixth filter. So I'm I'm making like everything more even, looks to look more like to look better. Next I'm gonna use twirl. As you can see from its name, it's just gonna picture's gonna look like twirled. And with this you can change the angle. You can do like this way, or else it's gonna be like backwards like that way. So yeah, like you can just adjust it and just hit OK, and it's gonna look like this. Pretty funny. Next filter I wanted to show it's wave. And there is like difference between twirl and wave. As you can see, it's like twirl is like twirly and wave is like wavy. There is like couple options here: triangle, square, sign. So I chose the sign, and I just you can adjust like generators, wavelengths. So I picked up this. So it's like it looks uh kind of weird. And next thing I chose is like you can do like filter gallery. There is like more like additional filters you can choose from. So yeah, you can change like this. So I just chose accented edges. Uh, for me, it looks like cartoon. Um, I wanted to use from this point. I just decided to use this filter galleries because I love them really much. There's so many options, and you can like expand this and then see what kind of options you have, and then just uh, like close it. Um, so I there's just stylize glowing edges, yeah, to just give like really big difference to show like it's completely different than what we were doing before. So the last filter I wanted to use, it's gonna be from the filter gallery too, and I just want to show what kind of option they have. So I chose like texture. There's a patchwork, different one. Oh, I love this stained glass. So I decided to just use that. Um, yeah, there's my 10 filters. Next step I wanted to do is just crop the image so it's gonna look more even. Yeah, I just cropped it. And next thing I wanted to do is just uh, name all the filters just to show you what filters I used. So I changed the color of my font. I just named it, and I just in this part of the video I just make it really fast so it's not boring like me just typing everything. So basically I just uh, named all the filters. um, yes, I can say that this assignment was very very interesting to kind of use all these filters to learn about them. There is a lot of them we can use, and basically if you want to learn it, you just need to like practice them, try them all. So yes, and at the end I just saved my work. Thank you so much.